Screencasts are a great way for instructors to record short lessons and personalize their courses. This screencast will demonstrate how to use Screencast-O-Matic to record your own instructional video. To use Screencast-O-Matic, the software must either be installed onto your computer or launched from a web browser. Refer to lesson 3.5 for help with this. When ready, launch Screencast-O-Matic. After it has booted, click the record button at the top of the window. The recorder will be put into standby mode. Select a source to record. The Screen option will record a computer screen only. Webcam records the webcam feed only, and both will capture the screen and webcam at the same time. The webcam preview box can be moved around as desired. The size setting determines what portion of the screen will be recorded. A black and white rectangle marks this boundary. Click and drag the handles on the edge of the boundary to resize it as desired. To move the boundary, click and drag the directional buttons in the center. If recording audio, adjust the narration settings. Here you can set the microphone input as well as recording level. As you speak into the microphone, you should see the volume meter bounce up and down. If it doesn't, check your audio settings. Before you record, be sure to prepare your screen, as well as adjust your webcam and microphone. When ready, click the red record button on the toolbar. The recording will begin after a brief countdown. During recording, the border changes to red. To end recording, click the blue pause button that replaced the record button in the toolbar. To continue recording, click the record button again. When finished recording, click Done from the toolbar. The initial editing screen will open. To quickly trim the beginning and end of your video, such as to cut out mistakes, click and drag the handles on either end of the video. To make more extensive edits, click Edit in the Options window. Editing options are covered more in depth during the on-site PLUTO activities. When done, the recording can be published into a video or saved for editing later. For this assignment, the recording will need to be published to video. To do so, click on the hamburger button to the top right of the options window and select Save as Video File. Click on the Type option and select MP4. To rename the video, click the File Name option and type a new name in the pop-up. Click the Folder option, then browse to select the storage location of the video file. Set the quality to higher. Click Publish when done adjusting settings to export your video. This may take several minutes. The original recording will be saved in Screencast-O-Matic in case additional edits are desired. If you need help, please reach out to the PLUTO team for support.